Go do stuff. Wait, I'm gonna get this in a sec.
Behind you.
Clear. Not clear. Ah, I'm out. I deflected the dart though. Going through. Ah. It's okay, James.
Cover your spot.
Got you. I'm out. I got you once there, bro. Ow, my butt.
Headshot. Nope, you missed.
Ow. They're right there. Got you, you're out.
I got him too.
Alright. Got you, Dimitri. There's 2 on your arm. Oh, it's your spawn point. I'm sorry. Wow, I'm surprisingly low on ammo. Careful the spawn point to the left.
Alright.
John, open the door to your right. Open the door. Oh, wait, I don't want to spawn. Oh! I didn't want to spawn camp him. Huh? It's 2 hits to out a person.
On both?
Yeah, on both teams.
Go. Respawn, man. Respawn.
I'm gonna go this way.
Where's our shield? Where's our... Oh, here it is. Cover me. Is it clear yet?
We're only this hard.
Are you serious? I'm reloading. Hold it. What?
I'm on the side. Put the bomb on the floor.
Okay, never mind. Give it.
Okay.
Spawning. And I need ammo. I need lots of ammo. Yeah, thanks. Alright, no mass destruction, please. Alright.
Shoot me, Pastor. Come on. 1, 2, I'm out.
Alright.
Right here.
Yeah.
No, I'm out.
Get that.
Hey, we got a bomb here, guys.
Go.
Got it?
Hurry, walk as fast as you can.
Alright.
Do it.
That is the most awesome thing. When I'm dead, I can talk. I love it.
Go. Cover the bomb. Go, push it. 10 minutes, Zibby. 11 minutes, Zibby. 12 minutes, Zibby. 30 minutes, Zibby. 40 minutes, Zibby.
Whoa, that's too fast, man. What are you doing?
15 minutes, Zibby.
Alright, push up, bro. I got the bomb kind of up there, so. Got you. Oh, I'm out. They're underneath the piano.
My dad got me right in the face.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Alright. Yeah, we're going, man. We're going.
I think it's the dice.
It's probably it.
It keeps jamming, it usually does.
Who's there, Derek? It's Mask Man. Careful. It's not. No.
I'm always caught in.
Don't worry about it. Come back. We're here.
Wait.
I'm out though. 1, 2, got you.
I hate it when that happens.
Where are they?
He's right here, behind. Oh, hit my gun, dude.
See ya.
I only felt 1, but I'm just gonna give him the benefit of the doubt and go back. Are you out, dude? Gabe? Alright. Nope? You said nope?
Yeah, I'm not out.
Oh.
That's what I was like.
I felt 1 there.
Oh yeah, I was like, no.
Okay, so you're out now.
Yeah.
All right, just making sure, bro. We only have 3 minutes to push this up to the library.
Like you said, I'm trying to win.
Oh, okay.
I'm out again.
Get him, he's reloading, That's a spawn, you can't go there.
Oh my god! Why did my off
Ah, Daryl! No. One on me. Did I get you yet? 1, 2. That's it. Are we on the same team?
Yeah.
Alright, just making sure.
We're both attacking.
Oh, we pushed up that far.
Yeah.
I got him. I'm gonna see if I can push on the side, alright? Anyone on the left? Is there anyone on the left in the room? There's people on the left! What the deuce? I got Andrew out. Game over.
You called it right before
Dude,
you
I got the right one.
It's too late though.
Too late. Defenders win!
Again. Oh, dang it. Reload! So help me, Nicole. Oh, it's over, Pastor. It's over, Pat. You guys won.
Alright.
Good game.
Wait,
All right,
let's see.
You guys.
All I need to see is myself on the internet looking around the corner.